from YoYo Asian Street Food in Port St. Lucie, thank you so much, Eric, for waiting all this time. Eric Yuji, who with his partner YoYo has opened up a really cool Asian, like it's Thai and Asian street food in Port St. Lucie. And let's bring him on now before he falls asleep. Waiting to
I'm not Eric. Surprise, surprise.
No, did he have to go?
I feel like you're seeing way too much of my face in today's show.
Ruby, did he have to go? Do we have to reschedule him?
No, he just disconnected, and I just got him back on the air, so I'm going to go now. And here he is.
Hey, of course, you disconnect when it's your turn.
Yeah, right. Oh my gosh. Well, what happened was I could see everything, but I couldn't hear anything. And then I thought, well, maybe it's my phone. So then I turned off my phone, and this all happened like a minute before I was going to go on. And I don't know. Because
you're having the same day I'm having. Maybe. Just having a weird day. You have such an awesome voice. You have like a radio voice. You do.
Oh, thank you.
You do.
You so much.
Now, Eric, you're in actually the insurance industry. What the hell made you want to go into the restaurant biz?
Oh my gosh. Well, I have a very good friend of mine. They've been a chef for like 20, 30 years. Their mom taught them how to cook in Thailand, and that's really their passion. And actually, Thai food is my passion too. As far as foods, it's like up there, the Mediterranean foods right up there too. And so I said, I like Thai food. I started a successful insurance business. I said, let me see if I could do a restaurant. It was kind of like a challenge, to be honest. And did I not know what I was getting myself into? I was like, holy shoot.
And you opened less than 2 years ago, right?
Yeah, like a year. We opened up January of 2019.
And okay, so you made it through your first season, which is good.
Mm-hmm.
And you realize, there's this thing called off season that happens, but you made it.
But we made it.
And then second season happens, and then the sky falls in, but you made it again. So
we made it again. So I'm thinking, we might be okay. You never know. That's another thing. You never want to get too comfortable in any business you do, because when you start getting comfortable, then stuff starts to slip. So you always kind of want to keep on your P's and Q's, so that's kind of the way I try to run my businesses,
Yes, absolutely. And I mean, you have, like you said, you have people in the kitchen behind the line that know what the heck they're doing. Mm-hmm. And so the public has come and they've spoken. They love your food. And luckily for you, Asian food is something that travels well. And I mean, when I'll tell you, during the month, probably Thai is the one that I do take out most. Probably all the time is what I do. I love Thai food, always have. So you were able to, pretty much pivot to curbside kind of easily. Is that correct?
Yeah, we already had the tablets in place, like for DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber Eats, Bite Squad. Because I figured, in a society where people aren't really having that much contact, even before the coronavirus, that, people will, work at home more, and they'll do all these things where there's less and less contact. So I figured this would be a good thing to have. Just like when people try to create another stream of revenue, it's good to have 5 or 6. Why have one when you can have 5 or 6?
I'm with you, Barry.
Like
I'm with you. Absolutely. We have some pictures of your delicious food. And
I got something better. I got something better.
You have real food?
Some real live food. Hold on. I don't know if I can flip the camera or not. But hold on.
Okay.
Can you see that? This is the shrimp pad Thai.
You're killing me.
Shrimp pad Thai. Hey, you're welcome anytime. You're welcome anytime.
I know it's Port St. Lucie. I know we have a lot of people watching in Port St. Lucie, but I'm in West Palm. Oh, you're killing me. Pho?
Hey, I'm from West Palm too, actually. This is miso soup. Miso hungry. Miso soup. Miso hungry.
Miso hungry too. What else you got there?
Now we have fried wonton. So this is fried wonton.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is the beef jerky. So can you see it?
Very well.
So we've got beef jerky and pork jerky. That's like one of our signature, homemade. Most of our stuff is homemade. The only thing that we buy from the Asian store is the gyoza and the shumai. I think everything else is pretty much we make them here. Fresh. Go shopping every day. So,
Yeah.
you wake. The chef wakes up at whatever time, and if one store doesn't have it, then you got to go to another store. Then you got to go to another store. Then you got to go to the kitchen, and you got to prep. Then you got, So there's a lot that goes into food making. So, a lot of times when people say, "Oh, that's expensive," actually, we're not expensive if you look at the average Asian menu. But you get what you pay for. It's just like when you go to buy a car. Do you buy the cheapest car? You go to the car dealership and you say, "I want that base model without the nice fancy wheels and without the good radio." No, you want it all. So when you come to YoYo Asian Street Food, you're going to get it all.
And I don't think you're expensive at all. I think you're very family friendly, priced.
Yeah.
And you mentioned the gyoza and the shumai, which are, I'm a dumplingaholic. The gyoza are sort of like pot sticker shaped, and the shumai are, we have a picture of the shumai. I don't know if you're going to be able to figure out which one it is, Ruby. Let's see how much foodiness she has in her. It's the dumplings that are shaped like that. Hey!
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yay. Got
the little specks of garlic on top, the little fried garlic. I can see them. Oh, yum. That looks so good. I just want to dip. Oh my God. So you do all the sauces in-house though, right?
Yeah. We make like the Thai sweet chili and the special YoYo sauce. People love this YoYo sauce. So one of my visions is to bottle the YoYo sauce, to find someone that will back me with all that stuff and distribution and everything, and they can, we'll work out arrangements with that. But the YoYo sauce, people love it. So I thought, well, maybe let's just see how much they love it. Maybe enter it in one of those things they have in Fort Pierce or Stewart, the Sauce Fest. So that's one thing that we'd like to do. Come and say hi. I want you to meet the chef, the YoYo, the whole reason why we even have the restaurant. Okay, just you see the angle of the camera, just look into it and say hi.
Hi, Chef Yo. Hi, how are you? I wish I knew how to say hi in Thai.
Well, she actually, the funny thing is I'm on my, what do you call this? The thing, the earphone.
Yeah, the earpod.
So they can't hear. Yeah, but they said they saw you.
Yay! Well, do you have anything going on for Memorial Day by any chance, or any specials that people should know about?
Well, we have two specials that are kind of ongoing. We have the lunch special where you can, we have a special lunch menu. It is on the yoyoasianstreetfood.com. It's also on Facebook. And if you pick any entree, you can add your drink and your appetizer spring roll for just $2 more. So that's our ongoing lunch special. And then we have a family special where you pick any 3 entrees, 2 appetizers, and your dessert for only $44.99. So that's a really big hit. People really love that too. So, and we have the beer, buy one get one half off, and I'm just going to keep that rolling. So and we have wine too. So those are our specials.
Yeah, people need food and they need alcohol, right?
Yeah, I need some alcohol right now.
I told you when I talked to you on Monday.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I had a very fun time for my birthday, and we had a conversation early on Monday morning, and my head was just like, it looked like my hair now. Oh my God. We do have a couple more pictures I want to throw in before we say goodbye. That's the homemade sausages.
Yep, Isan sausage.
Mate, and there it is.
Oh, that's your favorite.
That's my
your
soup.
coconut milk soup.
The tom kha, and it's either kai, which is chicken, or tom kha shrimp, which I don't know how to say shrimp. It's
goon.
Tom kha goon. Okay. That is my favorite soup of all time, and I will drive for that soup. And oh my God, hello.
Fried banana. We have a fresh that's fried rice. Chicken
with pineapple.
Fried rice.
With pineapple.
Fried rice.
Oh my God.
I feel like I'm on Jeopardy. Oh, shrimp pad thai.
This is fuji. Oh, and there's the tom kha with the goon.
There it is with the goon.
I had to have 2 pictures of the tom kha soup. And for people who don't understand Thai, that they think I'm not going to eat Thai because it's too spicy, please educate them.
anything can be 1 to 5 stars. So 1 being the least, right, and 5 being the hottest. I know a lot of people think, oh my God, Thai, I can't eat spicy. But the truth of the matter is, you can order it like you want it. We even do special stuff we don't have on the menu to accommodate our customers.
Because that's what you do. You take care.
That's what you got to do.
You take care of people because you're local. You live in West Palm and you drive all the way up to Port St. Lucie every day?
No, I used to live in West Palm, but okay. I miss it because I used to live on Flagler downtown, and I was like, I had a nice view.
I'm on Flagler.
Oh, see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Great view.
But yeah.
We could have been neighbors.
We could have been.
Oh, but you had to go and open a restaurant. No, but seriously, I'm glad you did. You put people to work. You made it through the unimaginable. Best fried rice, Judy says.
Thank you.
You made
we
it
love
through
you.
unimaginable. And now, like I said earlier today, just because you're open doesn't mean that everybody's out of the woods. This is now the time really to support restaurant owners big time. If you're comfortable going in and dining in, then do it. And are you doing 50 or 25% right now?
That's a good question. I think if we're allowed to do it, we'll do the 50% starting soon.
And do you have outdoor dining? You don't, right?
No outdoor.
Okay.
Just indoor.
But a great to go. And then, like I said before, Thai food travels well. It also heats up nicely. So you order more than you need and you've got enough for the next day too.
Yep. Especially when you got that hangover, you could just chow on some noodles or some fried rice and you're good to go.
You got it. Where exactly are you located, Eric?
We're on US 1, just south of US 1 in Port St. Lucie, and next to the Walmart Plaza, where the marijuana clinic is. What's it called? That marijuana clinic? Something? Oh, Liberty Health Sciences. There's a Metro PCS. There's a Mystical Treasure Shop. There's a nail salon, clothes store. So you can get it all.
Is anything open?
Yeah, it's all open now. Everyone's open. They're tired of being closed. Yeah. Well, except for the ice cream shop. It's not open.
Aw, I was going to say, okay, so forget the ice cream. You go get the marijuana store, and then you have the munchies, and you go to YoYo, right?
Yeah, there you go. Yep.
It works. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for taking your time to be on the show today. I know we went long again, and you were supposed to go on a half an hour ago, but hey, whatever.
That's okay. I enjoyed being here, and I appreciate everything and everyone, and look forward to serving you the freshest Asian food in town.
And thank you for being a Local Dines restaurant client. We really appreciate that. You can find YoYo Asian Street Food, find the menu, find Eric and Chef Yo, and go in and say hello and support Yokel. Local YoYo. All right. Thank you so much, Eric. Take care.
You're welcome, Taylor. Take care, okay?
Great rest of your week. Bye-bye.
You too. Bye-bye. Bye.
All right. I don't know. I haven't gotten a lot of sleep lately. I don't know what's going on. And like I told you, I can't find my real glasses, so I'm using my reader sunglasses. Thank you so much for joining me today. By the way, I mentioned earlier that localdines.com is back. When I last checked, we had 27 restaurants. Yesterday, we started with 3, and we'll be adding more and more. And if you want to go try new places to dine, you look on Local Dines and you'll find pictures and menus and descriptions and all kinds of different restaurants from, I think from Broward all the way up to Port St. Lucie right now, and everything in between. And YoYo Asian is one of the restaurants that are on our site. So you can purchase gift certificates for a really great deal, and go to YoYo and use them, and know that you're helping my business to stay in business, you're helping Eric's business to stay in business, and you're saving money. So it's a really, really, it's a win-win-win is what it is. So I thank you so much. I hope you'll tell your friends. I hope you'll share this video. I hope you'll subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. God, I've never done that before. I feel so millennial-ish. Subscribe, share, whatever. Next Tuesday, we will be on with John Brewer, who is the mastermind behind, with his partner Ian. They thought of the socially distanced supper club, which has really taken off, actually countrywide. He will be along. Also, Olympia Zuccarelli from Zuccarelli's in West Palm Beach will be one of our guests, and 2 other guests who we'll find out and we'll let you know. But that's what's happening next Tuesday at 2 p.m. right here on Tayste Local TV. My name is Taylor Morgan. I thank you so much for joining me. Ruby, once again, great job. Thank you so much. If you want to fly in and fly, Ruby, fly. Down to the sky. Okay, it's time for me to, I don't know, maybe I do need a drink. Maybe I usually wait till Friday. I don't think I'm going to wait till Friday. This has been the weirdest day.
We're close enough to Friday. We can call it Friday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Since today is Wednesday, we're usually here Tuesday. We're not going to be here Thursday. Today's Friday.
Exactly. Happy Friday, everybody.
Yay. Thank you so much, Ruby. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. And we'll see you next Tuesday at 2 p.m. live here on Tayste Local. And remember, what's my out thing? Until we eat again. Stay safe, stay healthy, support local.